Wagwan people, welcome and welcome back to our new returning viewers. So, news just come out early this morning about 5 o'clock. There was an explosion in the buffet restaurant at the BAHIA Principal Hotel in Runaway Bay, St.ANN. The circumstances are not clear based on, the news reports made to various news platforms, but 2 employees were taken to the hospital, and so far there has been no reports of fatalities as yet. People, based on what you can understand, it look like it's serious because all windows, damage roof of the restaurant, the windows them blown out. So, say it's a huge explosion of one at one. We just have to hope that, it's not really critical for the 2 employees who ended up in the hospital. We know say fire can happen anywhere, but something there Bahia, because something is always happening at Bahia. Something is always happening at Bahia Principal. But, as I said, fire can happen anywhere at all. So we just, leave this incident in the hands of the Lord and hope that these 2 employees can, not be in a critical condition at the hospital. But as usual, tell me what you think in the comment section.
Finally out here. Mr. Man up. Yeah? Yo, brother. Brother, oh, Jesus. On the line. Bombard. All of them are glass are gone. I don't know, nothing normal. Me rotted. Look here. Oh, I do this. Look. Look there. I don't know, nothing normal. Rotted. Look there. Make nobody no call security. Me don't know none of the number.